What if Ford took the legendary Mustang and transformed it into a high-performance pickup truck? It sounds like something straight out of an enthusiast's dream. But the 2027 Ford Mustang pickup is generating massive buzz among automotive fans, combining the aggressive styling of America's favorite pony car with the practicality of a pickup truck. This concept could completely redefine what a performance truck looks like in the modern era. From the very first glance, the 2027 Ford Mustang pickup commands attention. The front end stays true to Mustang heritage, featuring a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular hood with aggressive sculpting. The signature Mustang-inspired design elements are immediately recognizable, giving this truck a sporty and premium appearance, unlike anything else on the road. Wide fenders, aerodynamic body lines, and large performance wheels contribute to its athletic stance, while the short pickup bed adds practicality without sacrificing style. Moving around the vehicle, the side profile reveals a perfect balance between sports car DNA and pickup functionality. The lowered ride height gives it a performance-oriented look, while the integrated bed design maintains smooth body lines. At the rear, sleek LED taillights and a sporty tailgate design continue the Mustang influence. Dual exhaust outlets and an aggressive rear diffuser complete the performance-focused appearance. This isn't just another pickup truck. It's a statement piece designed to turn heads everywhere it goes. Inside the cabin, the 2027 Mustang pickup offers a modern and driver-focused environment. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, creating a luxurious atmosphere that rivals many high-end SUVs. The dashboard features a large digital instrument cluster paired with an expansive touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, along with over-the-air software updates and advanced voice controls. Comfort is also a major priority. Supportive sports seats provide excellent comfort for daily driving while keeping occupants secure during spirited driving. Heated and ventilated seating, premium leather upholstery, and customizable ambient lighting add an upscale touch. The rear seating area offers generous space for passengers, making the Mustang pickup practical enough for families and weekend adventures. Technology plays a significant role in the overall experience. Drivers can expect advanced safety systems including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Ford's latest driver assistance features help make long journeys safer and more convenient than ever before. Of course, performance is where the Mustang name truly shines. Under the hood, rumors suggest multiple powertrain options could be available. A high-output EcoBoost V6 may serve as the entry-level engine, while a powerful twin-turbo V8 could headline the lineup. Some reports even suggest a hybrid performance variant capable of delivering exceptional power and efficiency. Depending on configuration, horsepower figures could easily exceed 500 horsepower, putting this truck in direct competition with some of the fastest performance pickups on the market. Power is expected to be sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system, providing outstanding traction and handling. Performance, tuned suspension components, and upgraded brakes would ensure that the Mustang pickup drives more like a sports car than a traditional truck. Whether accelerating on the highway or tackling winding back roads, this vehicle aims to deliver the excitement that Mustang enthusiasts have come to expect. As for pricing, industry estimates suggest the 2027 Ford Mustang pickup could start around $45,000 for base models, while high-performance trims may exceed $75,000 depending on equipment and powertrain choices. If Ford decides to move forward with production, demand is likely to be extremely strong among both Mustang fans and truck buyers looking for something unique. The 2027 Ford Mustang pickup represents a bold vision of what the future of performance vehicles could be. It blends iconic styling, modern technology, everyday practicality, and thrilling performance into one exciting package. If this truck becomes a reality, it could easily become one of the most talked about vehicles of the decade.